Hey guys, it's me Brian of Modern Pastry and today, gagawa tayo ng blueberry muffin. Soft and fluffy, perfectly sweet with a zesty fruity flavor, perfect combo sa afternoon tea or coffee, kaya naman tara, gawa na tayo.
Modern Pastry.
Unahin na natin gawin yung ating crumb topping by getting the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Combine the zest with half cup light brown sugar to infuse the flavor. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix it well, then add 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Haluin ng mabuti until maging crumbly, then set aside muna natin yan. For the blueberry compote topping in a saucepan, combine 1 cup of blueberries, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lutuin lang natin to over medium heat until slightly reduced. Then palamigin muna natin yan on the side. Para mas moist yung ating muffins, add tayo ng half tablespoon of lemon juice sa 1 cup of milk and let that sit for a while. For the dry ingredients, sift all together 2 and 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, beat together 1 stick of softened and salted butter and 1 cup sugar. Once pale and creamy, add 2 large eggs one at a time, mixing in between addition. Then, pwede na natin i-add alternately yung ating flour mixture and milk kanina, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Sa last portion ng ating flour mixture, nagtira lang tayo ng konti, and to that, dredge natin yung 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries until lightly coated ng flour to prevent them from sinking. Lastly, gently fold in the blueberries sa ating batter. Then, pwede na natin itong iscoop sa ating muffin tin with muffin liners. Add the blueberry compote and streusel topping na ginawa natin kanina. For this recipe, makakagawa tayo ng 12 muffins. Then, pwede na natin silang i-bake sa preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for the first 10 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 190 and bake for another 12 to 15 minutes. Let them cool completely over a wire rack, and that's it. Enjoy your homemade blueberry muffins.